Here's how to embed Mentimeter into Canva in just 3 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide how you can turn a normal Canva design into an interactive presentation that your audience can actually respond to in real time. If you need live polls, questions, or feedback to work smoothly without technical stress, this will get it done fast. Start by opening Mentimeter and signing into your account. Create your presentation or open the one you already have. Choose the poll, quiz, or question you want to use, then switch to the sharing options until you see the embed option. Copy the embed code provided. This code is what allows Mentimeter to display inside another platform, so make sure you copy the full code before moving on. Next, open Canva and load the design where you want the Mentimeter content to appear. This can be a presentation, a whiteboard, or website layout. On the left side, open the Apps section and scroll until you find the Embed tool. Click it, paste the Mentimeter embed code into the box, and confirm. Canva will automatically convert the code into an interactive element in your page. Once the Mentimeter content appears, resize and move it so it fits your layout properly. Place it in the center if it is the main focus, or adjust it to sit alongside text or visuals. Take a moment to check spacing so everything looks clean and easy to read. If the content takes a few seconds to load, that is normal, especially for live interactive elements. After placing everything, preview your design to make sure the Mentimeter poll or question loads correctly. If you're using this in a live presentation, keep in mind that your audience will still need to join the Mentimeter session using the code provided by Mentimeter. Canva is simply displaying the content while Mentimeter handles the interaction in real time. When you are ready, present or share your Canva design as usual. Your Mentimeter content will appear directly inside the slider page, making your presentation more engaging without switching between apps. In just a few minutes, you can combine Canva's visuals with Mentimeter's interactivity and keep your audience involved from start to finish.